Welcome to Embedded World here in Nuremberg. I'm now at the stand of ADLINK and I'm together with Steve Jennis. He is head of global marketing. Hi, Steve.
Hey, good morning.
Steve, what are your highlights here on the booth? What are the major products? What are the major news you have to bring up for Embedded World?
Well, ADLINK has evolved from being an embedded computing supplier to what we now call edge computing, which is essentially embedded computing at the edge of a network. So our logo today is leading edge computing. Okay, so really we're looking at new technologies that support the deployment of distributed connected systems. We're talking about AI, we're talking about edge nodes, gateways, in addition to our normal products in terms of embedded boards and modules.
Steve, what is the difference between edge computing, cloud computing, fog computing? Can you lift that fog a little bit?
Right, now that's a very good question because the industrial Internet of Things embraces all of these platforms. So cloud services are hosted on a cloud platform, usually supplied by someone like Amazon or Microsoft. And then at the other end of the system you have sensors which are creating data, increasingly connected machines, connected devices. In between the cloud and the machine or the sensor, you have the edge of the network. You have the gateways, the industrial servers, even fog nodes. Now, the end-to-end system is the important part for the end user, okay? But by focusing on the edge, we are connecting the IT world to the OT world, the sensor to the cloud, and facilitating processing in between at the edge, on the edge node. And that is where machine learning, that is where AI is being deployed increasingly in industrial systems.
Yeah, and regarding all these topics like the industrial IoT, and which you have a lot of demos here at the show, how is that perceived with the visitors? How is the interest?
Well, I think you can see for yourself the embedded community has moved on from just looking at chip technology and board technology. They're looking at connected solutions, and that's because their customers are asking for connected solutions as well. It's all about sharing data today, just like on a cell phone. You know, when you're not connected, you realize very quickly the loss of functionality just having a standalone cell phone. So connected solutions are very important, and we're seeing an increasing focus not only on connected solutions, but application support at the edge, so AI, machine learning at the edge of a network. Autonomous vehicles are one good example, autonomous robots, a good example of where you have the artificial intelligence, the machine learning at the edge of the network, still connected to the cloud or to other connected systems, but a lot of the intelligence deployed locally.
Okay, thank you very much. I wish you a nice show.
Thank you very much, very, very welcome, thank you.